How to edit audio on TikTok. Open the TikTok app and then tap the plus symbol down on the bottom of the screen. Let's upload a new photo so we can edit the sound on it. And then you want to tap edit on the right side of the screen. And then you want to tap sound down on the bottom. And here you can replace the sound if you want. You can add voiceover and you can add sound effect. So let's start by replacing the sound. You can search for your favorite or you can choose one from the list. To edit the sound we just uploaded, you can tap it right here and you can adjust it by using the arrows. And you can adjust where you want it to start and where you want it to end. And you can also move it around by long hold the audio and move it wherever you want. You can also add a voiceover. Hello. And you can also adjust the voiceover and you can move it around by long holding it. And you can also add sound effects. You have a lot of templates here. Let's just choose one. And you can adjust that sound effect just the way you adjusted the music and the voiceover. And when you are done editing, tap save. And this is how to edit audios on TikTok. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.